did you get into this business? And how'd you get this?
Grew up on a farm back in Ireland. Yeah, so worked on the farm all my life, and then used to drive machines here and there, diggers and all that kind of stuff. And then then went into when I came out here to Australia traveling, started driving, or was driving machines on my travels as such, and doing pipe work, working on pipelines, worked on some big pipelines through central Queensland and Western Australia. And then how I ended up doing the sewer pits was just when I came back down to Sydney, there was an opening for that kind of work. Not too many people do it, a very specialized kind of work. Maybe 9 years ago, kind of doing that for ourselves then, you know. So yeah, but always kind of working with my hands as such, like in that, you know. So yeah.
Well, that's a long way from a potato farm in Ireland, Joe.
Yeah.
To the big city in Sydney. What would you simply say are the services that you offer so people can be aware?
I've been involved in so many different aspects of the civil industry, from driving the machines to be out, to being out on the ground and running jobs and things like that. So our specialty is deep sewer. We very much specialize in the structures, and the forming of all of that. Yeah, mainly it'll be the deep sewer kind of excavation work kind of. So
is there anything you'd say, hey, this is why you'd want to use us?
Yeah, well, look at, I mean, quality is paramount to us. We're a small based company, so I mean, the guys that we have working for us are like family. I mean, to me, I love doing what I do, and that's so when you can go into work and kind of be happy, but it makes everything a lot easier to do, and you're proud of what you do after it, so it's, to us, like, everything that we do gets buried in the ground, but before it gets buried, we're very proud of how it looks, how it comes up, how the concrete finishes, we're very we're very particular about how we do it. We obviously get along very well with our clients. Most of them are repeat customers.
That means a lot, because a lot of businesses will say they do that and they would like others to think they do that. But the fact is, you guys actually formally got your processes, everything certified. So you are trying to stand out and capture those, please your customers. So that's good.
Yes. Yeah. And to us, like, obviously working with you guys there recently enough has you've been very good to deal with, very easy. But I wouldn't be computer minded, if it doesn't have two levers, I can't drive it. So for us to be able to put in them systems that I can actually work with as well, like I can get involved, very good for us as a business, so that we can grow and we can become something bigger than what the sum of its parts will say, So.
Yeah, that's right. And I'll tell you a secret. I was a tradie for 15 years, so I know what you mean about the two levers. But I'm existing in this digital world. I'm surviving somehow too. I know what you mean. You guys have, like, if you thought, hey, next year, years beyond, if I could achieve this or that's the kind of goal I'd like to achieve as a business.
Yeah, so every year we've kind of set ourselves small goals, just to try and improve every year. And we do always set our goals, and we are, as I say, my background is more so with the machines and the excavation of things, like, and that's, I'm very much passionate about that. But yeah, we do see the opportunity in branching into other things. Obviously, we do our liner as well, our HDP liner. We took it on board to do it with our structures, but now we're getting a lot of kind of work from that alone. They say dream big, and we do dream big.
Yeah, opportunities present themselves. That's right. Well, when I'm in Sydney next, and I will be there in a few months, I'll have to take you for an Irish whiskey. That would be nice to do. Yeah. You'll have to show me the good ones, though.
Oh yeah. There's plenty of good ones. Yes. I'll definitely take you up on that offer, Jeremy. Yeah.
That'd be great.